Hello, welcome back. It's again live series for every Friday till the end of February. And अभी क्या चल रहा है? Marks, 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 marks. If you are a board student or a parent of a board student, इधर घर में एक ही रामायण चलती है. कितने मार्क्स आएंगे, क्या मार्क्स आएंगे, मेहनत कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है, कैसे मार्क्स लाएंगे, क्या करें, क्या नहीं करें. It's all about worries, all about the one word that goes in the house is marks. So today I'm going to speak about how to get marks with fun and enjoyment. So are you ready for that? Yes, I'm Naveen Jain, founder director of Study Circle, a coaching institute that has provided 17 years continuous Surat toppers in 12 CBSE. And since last 5 years, we are producing continuous 5 years Ajmer zone toppers. So coming to today's topic, how to get marks. So I'll ask a question. Marks लाने के लिए what is the one thing which you feel is the most important thing to score marks? Thinking? Okay, let me answer from my experience. What I keep on interact with the students and get two answers majority cases. The two major things to score good marks is first, my mind power, IQ level, smartness, and second, hard work. So which one you select? You select. Whatever select, we are going to check both. First is I'll go to the mind power, smart work, or the IQ level. Now, one thing I am very clear, this is the thing which you should never consider to score marks. Why? First, God has given it equal to everyone. Second, the fundamental principle of IQ is more you use it, more you get it. Less you use it, less you get it. So IQ का बहुत simple सा फंडा है. But I had seen a lot of time the topper becomes the topper because of the whole class, because everybody had given up on it कि ये तो साला टॉप करेगा ही, मेरा तो नंबर आ ही नहीं सकता. But trust me, IQ is something which will increase if you use it more, it will decrease if you use it less. So hard work, I don't know. Yes, I always say hard work is the key, but the important is don't just aim to work hard. भगवान ने हमको दिमाग दिया, आईक्यू मेरे पास जितना है उतना उतना, ज्यादा यूज करूं ज्यादा होगा, ज्यादा यूज करने के लिए क्या करना, मेहनत. बट हार्ड वर्क इज नॉट द ओनली थिंग. आई ऑलवेज से डोंट जस्ट एम टू वर्क हार्ड. मैंने बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट देखे जो इतनी मेहनत करते इतनी मेहनत करते हैं फिर भी डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट नहीं पाते. एंड देयर आर सर्टेन स्टूडेंट्स हु वर्क हार्ड इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, दैट इज डिसाइसिव. सो आई ऑलवेज से डोंट जस्ट एम टू वर्क हार्ड. सिर्फ मेहनत करने के पीछे मत भागो. You need to work in the right direction. If I put it in a very simple words, suppose you are a fan of playing football, you are a fan of playing cricket, and you don't know the right technique. Now, even if you put a lot of effort, what will happen? You are not going to get the right result because your technique itself is wrong. Even you work for 24 hours together, because of your wrong technique, you are not going to get the result. So what is the key is working hard with the right technique. हाँ, मुझे पता है सवाल ये आ रहा है, ये राइट टेक्निक क्या होता है हार्ड वर्क की. हाँ, so there are a lot of things I can tell about the right technique about hard work, but today I'm going to discuss about the two techniques for working hard. I can share n number of techniques, but my aim of this session is that it could help you to work for this 5 week बचे हैं, 35 days बचे हैं. I want you to use these techniques properly and get maximum benefit out of these 5 weeks and score the best marks. Before I go further, I again remind you, if you have got any query, you can WhatsApp me on my number 99241 I repeat, 99241 or you can even put your query, question, suggestion, appreciation in the comment box also. I'll surely get back to you in the other lives. So coming to the hard work technique. Technique number 1, plan your schedule, proper timetable. I know पेरेंट्स आर लाफिंग, आई एम लाफिंग, इवन स्टूडेंट्स आर लाफिंग. तो सर हम प्लान बनाते हैं, अब मुझे याद नहीं है 2 दिन 3 दिन के ज्यादा मैंने उस प्लान को फॉलो किया हो. बट आई टेल यू हाउ टू प्लान इट, हाउ टू इंप्लीमेंट इट, हाउ टू एग्जीक्यूट इट. हाँ, मुझे पता है व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू मेक टाइम टेबल, घर पे बहुत डांट पड़ जाती थी ना जब पढ़ता था, तो रूम बंद करके बैठता था, पेज जैसे लास्ट पेज निकालता था. आई वाज लाइक मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे एंड डू डिटेल प्लानिंग एज इफ आई विल फॉलो दिस, आई विल बी गेट द ऑल इंडिया टॉप. And then I never used to look at the timetable. I know 85% students, I deal with the student, I interact with the student, I know 85% of students make the plan, but they don't just implement it. So where the glitch is, where the problem is, The problem is all about what the normal student do and what the topper do. Whole planning process is different. When a normal student sits for the planning, what he does is he writes all about studying, 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 and studying. 2 to 4 I'll do maths, 3 to 4 I'll do science, morning I'll do economics, evening I'll do English, and it's all study, study, study. Moment it that look at the timetable, it's like, oh, इतना सारा पढ़ना है. I know, पढ़ना boring तो है. Except you are a gifted learner. But normally ये होता है, पढ़ना boring तो है. So timetable goes into gutter and it goes fail. What differently toppers do? Toppers do one most important thing is before setting the timetable, they first allot a time for their hobbies, their interest things, something they really enjoy, and they want to do it on a regular basis. So suppose a student enjoys playing a chess, so he'll ensure daily he plays chess. He enjoys playing football, he ensures he daily plays 1 hour football. Suppose he enjoys playing cricket, he'll play cricket. Suppose he or she enjoys playing dancing, they ensure the first thing they will put in is the dancing. Very important thing. First and most important thing happens is they're very clear. Whenever they the timetable, they are pumped up. Wow, something enjoyable is doing. That's why I say enjoy board exam. So it's a fun and enjoyment part with them. That's the first part. Second part comes up is when you have done what satisfies you, then the rest of the time you can focus on your studies. नहीं तो होता क्या है normal student के लिए, when they sit to study, they are worried about playing. When they are playing, they are worried about studies. So what the topper does differently? Quickly repeat. What they do differently? First, while making the timetable, they ensure few hours, few minutes, few time they're allotted for their favorite things: dancing, music, playing, even playing on a video game, anything. Around that, they build the whole study timetable. So two advantages they get. First, they always pumped up to see timetable. Second, when they got energy by doing the favorite things, they focus on the studies. So are you going to implement it? That was the first thing, right technique to put hard work. Let's go for the second. Second is very important. That is, अभी अगर मैं पूछता हूँ ना स्टूडेंट्स को कि आप क्या करते थे, मोस्टली 90% स्टूडेंट्स से, so it's a revision time. I'm revising the syllabus. Most time goes into that. I always say, most important thing instead of revising is write practice papers as much as you can. Even जो toppers होते हैं ना, जो अच्छे score करते हैं, उनकी सबसे the only differentiation between they score good marks and we score somewhat average marks or below average marks is the best students don't miss even a single test during the year. Be it a 25 marks, be it a one chapter, be it a chapter in the test in the school, be it the test in the tuition, anywhere. They are test freaks. They write each and every test papers, but wo puran time chala gaya. Now we have got 35 exact days before the board. Ensure you write minimum 35 papers. That is a one full length paper a day. One full length, I repeat, one full length paper a day minimum. If you can write 2, then nothing can beat that. Write maximum practice paper. I'll explain the logic, science behind it. When you are writing a practice paper, what happens? So a practice paper लिखते हो, the first thing is you can really assess. आप सच में देख सकते हो how well you can reproduce what you have prepared. मैं रिवाइज कर रहा हूं, but रिवाइज करके हमेशा एक दिमाग में डर चलता है ना, अरे याद रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, एग्जाम में गया भूल गया तो कुछ और क्वेश्चन आ गया. There is always fear. So how many times you revise, the fear doesn't goes away. But when you start writing the paper, you can really see how well I can reproduce what I had prepared. So that's a real reality check, whatever you are revising. Even if you had one or chapter still not that prepared, the second important aspect is when you write one paper, complete paper, you have to revise all the chapters completely. एक पेपर के अंदर हर चैप्टर का कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन रहता ही है. तो indirectly we are revising syllabus daily. Suppose if you are writing 10 papers of a particular subject in this 35 days, 10 questions of each chapter you are already done. 10 sums of each chapter you are already done. Minimum 10. There are certain chapters having more weightage, there are more questions. Don't forget this thing. Write maximum test papers. मुझे कई बार भी स्टूडेंट्स आके पूछते हैं, सर लास्ट मोमेंट हम क्या करें? Always say, keep everything aside. Write paper, get it checked, learn from it, move ahead. Write paper, get it checked, learn from it, move ahead. Write paper, get it checked, learn from it, move ahead. Practice, nothing can beat the practice papers. और ये मैं मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से कहता हूँ, जो लोग अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं, they are the people, they never ever miss the test. So अगर आपकी टेस्ट हो रही है, अच्छी बात है, नहीं हो रही तो कोई भी मार्केट से बुक ले लो. Write maximum test papers, that is the key. So before I end, I revise what 2 tips we had given. First, make a timetable. While making timetable, ensure you include the things which you enjoy for certain times, and around that build your timetable. Will you do that? Thank you. Second is, when write maximum practice paper. 35 दिन बाकी है, minimum 35 full length papers. I strongly recommend to write 2 papers daily, 6 hours dedicate to the paper writing, then do revision, whatever you want to do. But 2 papers daily, उनको check करवाइए, उसमें सीखिए and move ahead. That's what I want to share. But I want a real feedback from your side by implement these 2 things. My purpose is not to just give the lecture. That's why I give only 2 tips. Learn these 2 things, apply it. It will make the whole difference in the upcoming board exams. Hello friends. For any kind of career counseling, life coaching and business coaching, contact on the below numbers. Do like and share the video and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.